Good morning, student. Now, practical number 6. It is a Hill cipher. We are implementing in C. Before that, the basic is developed by mathematician Lester Hill in 1929. Its algorithm takes m successive plain text and substitute for them m ciphertext letters. Each character is assigned a numerical value. For example, a is equal to 0 to z is equal to 25. Here is the equations. You must remember this equation. This is a classical cryptography. It is a polygraphic substitution cipher based on linear algebra, invented by Lester S. Hill in 1929. It was the first polygraphic cipher. This is a program. This is a header file, main void function, then select a data type. Is a encrypt each block of n letter is a n component vector is a multiplied by invertible n multiplied by n matrix. It is against the modulo 26. Then character, the value string 20, the data type integer, the value of I, the input value you can get a 3 अंडर ब्रैकेट 2 0 एंड 90. यहाँ पे हम 3 वैल्यू कंसिडर कर रहे हैं और D इज़ अ वैल्यू डेसिमल में जो हम आउटपुट हम कलेक्ट करें. देन प्रिंट द साइफर मेथड. You are used here the Hill cipher. Then print the string scanf. Now here we use to transferring from string to number. This is a basic concept of type casting and type conversion. Okay, loop यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं i is equal to 0, I की value less than 3, then increment operator. Then D is equal to can get a string I, then input I is equal to D minus 65. Here this loop is executed, the transferring from string to numbers. Then you are print here the value of encrypting the string. Here just need to be done the modulo the number of letter instead of modulo 26 as per given equation. For same in decryptions we are turn ciphertext back into vector is multiplied by inverse matrix and we find the inverse of matrix using example. This is decryptions. It is not all matrix have the inverse. The matrix will have to inverse if only if it is determinant is not 0. Here you see the decryption input 3. Then if we work modulo 26 as above, the determinant must be non-zero. Fortunately, matrix which satisfied the condition to be used in Hill cipher are fairly common. Then here we define the main functions. Integer string value cannot decide the range, then integer n. Here we can take the data type integer. Now we are used to multiplying matrix. For here we use a loop for I is equal to 0, I less than n. I की वैल्यू है वो n से कम. ठीक है. I plus plus it is an increment operator. Then sum I is equal to 0. Then second loop inner loop for j. Same you can see the equation sum I is equal to sum I plus matrix I j multiplied by string of j. Then close the loop you can get sum I is equal to sum, the addition sum I is modulo division by 26. Then here you need to printing the encrypted matrix. You can easily understand the risk of the determinant have common factor with the modulo can be eliminated by making modulus prime. This useful variant of Hill cipher add 3 extra symbols such as a space, period and a question mark to increase the modulo to 29 instead of 26. Then for decryptions, how to decrypting the matrix, same the inverse process of encryption matrix K. Here you see the data type and identify matrix by 3 by 3 according to equation of Hill cipher. The formula state hold after modular reductions if modular multiplicative inverse is used to compute. Now multiplying matrix, we are use a loop, then printing the decrypted matrix. अभी C फंक्शन में आपने इतने प्रैक्टिकल्स परफॉर्म किए तो बेसिक C के फंडामेंटल्स ऑलमोस्ट आप ऑलरेडी क्लियर हैं. नाउ यहाँ पे आपको क्या समझना है, जस्ट ओनली द लॉजिक ऑफ प्रोग्राम एंड कंसर्न algorithm. Equations you already know. Security is a vulnerable to no plain text attack. ये लॉजिक सही है, हमारा algorithm सही है, लेकिन plain text attack is a vulnerable to Hill cipher. क्यों? Because it is a linear process, completely linear. An opponent who intercept and its character pair can be set up a linear system which can usually easily solve. It is happened that this system is indeterminate. It is also necessary to add a few more plain text. Calculating this solution by standard linear algebra algorithm then takes very little. Now we need to compile this program. Here you need to identify these two errors and report to me after this assignment. Okay, this is the exercise for you all. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.